Welcome to the best picks. The best tail light socket is probably one of the most overlooked components, until it fails. Flickering lights or complete tail light failure can be a safety hazard. In this video, we'll dive into the Hyundai Sonata tail light socket, discussing its importance, the signs of a failing socket, and how to choose a reliable replacement to keep you and other drivers safe on the road. Number 5. Hyundai Sonata 2011 to 2014 tail lamp holder. Is your Hyundai Sonata experiencing wiring issues? This assembly is designed to solve those problems. It comes with the same connectors and wiring diagram as the original. This product is compatible with Hyundai Sonata models from 2011 to 2014. Please double-check the description or use the year, make, and model tool to ensure it fits your vehicle. This tail lamp holder is designed for a perfect fit. It's a direct replacement for the original part, ensuring the highest quality. The OE number is 92450-3Q000. Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play design. You can install it in about 15 minutes without any modifications. If you need help, check out videos online or contact us. The package includes one wire harness assembly and 8 halogen bulbs. 4 bulbs are spares, so you won't need to buy any for a while. What we like. This product comes with 8 halogen bulbs, with 4 spares, saving you the hassle and cost of buying them separately. It's designed for easy plug-and-play installation, taking only about 15 minutes. If you're looking for a complete solution that includes everything you need for a quick and easy replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. The new harness was easy to install with a perfect fit. The new harness performs as it should with all lights working. Fixed the light issue that I've been trying to fix for 2 years. And it came with extra bulbs. Number 4. Hyundai Sonata wiring harness 92450-3Q000. Is your Hyundai Sonata experiencing wiring issues? This harness assembly is designed to solve your problems. It's a direct replacement for the original. This wiring harness is compatible with Hyundai Sonata models from 2011 to 2014. Please verify the fit before purchasing to ensure it meets your needs. The part number is 92450-3Q000, also known as 92453Q000. This ensures it matches the original equipment specifications. Installation is simple, with a plug-and-play design. You can install it in about 15 minutes without any modifications. The package includes one 92450-3Q000 wire harness. If you need help, consult a professional or search online for assistance. What we like. This wiring harness is a direct replacement for your Hyundai Sonata, ensuring a perfect fit and function. The plug-and-play design makes installation a breeze, saving you time and effort. If you have wiring issues and want a straightforward, no-fuss solution, this product is your best bet. What people say. Working great. Easy to install and very cost-efficient. Fit as expected and did the job fine. Number 3. Tail light wiring harness for Hyundai Sonata 2011 to 2014. Is your tail light not working? This wiring harness is designed specifically for your Hyundai Sonata from 2011 to 2014. It's a direct replacement to get your lights functioning properly again. This harness is designed to fit Hyundai Sonata models from 2011 to 2014. Make sure to check the description for the correct part number to ensure it fits your vehicle. Replacing the harness is straightforward. It's a plug-and-play design, and the installation can be completed in about 15 minutes. Professional installation is recommended. This wiring harness replaces part number 92450-3Q000. If your current harness has failed, this is the perfect solution. It's designed to restore your tail light functionality. This wiring harness is made with high-quality materials that meet or exceed OEM standards. The product has been rigorously tested to ensure it meets the highest quality standards, providing you with a reliable solution. What we like. The installation of this tail light wiring harness is designed to be simple, taking only about 15 minutes. It's made with high-quality materials that meet or exceed OEM standards, ensuring reliability and longevity. If you value a quick fix with guaranteed quality, this harness is a great choice. What people say. Fit and worked great, 2013 Hyundai Sonata. Tudo com buena calidad y ligada oportuna. Fit and worked great. Number 2. Genuine Hyundai 92450-3Q000 tail lamp holder. This is an authentic original equipment manufacturer part. It's the exact same part that came with your car from the factory. You can trust the quality because it meets OEM standards. This ensures the part will perform as expected and last for a long time. This tail lamp holder and wiring is designed for a direct fit. Installation is easy because it's made to the exact specifications. This part is located on the exterior rear of your vehicle. It's essential for the proper function of your tail lights. This is a direct replacement for your existing tail lamp holder and wiring. It's designed to restore your vehicle's lighting system to its original condition. What we like. This is an authentic OEM part, meaning it's the exact same part that came with your car. It guarantees OEM quality and a perfect fit, ensuring optimal performance. If you prioritize reliability and want a genuine, factory-grade replacement, this is the ideal option. What people say. Same OEM harness carried by Hyundai manufacturer. New harness works perfectly. Perfect fit and was a lot cheaper than the dealership. Number 1. Fischer tail light for 2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata. Introducing the Fischer tail light, designed specifically for the 2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata. This set includes both the driver and passenger side lights, ensuring a complete replacement. It's a perfect fit for your vehicle. This tail light features halogen bulbs, providing bright and reliable illumination. The set comes with bulbs included, making installation easier. You'll be back on the road in no time. This tail light is an OE replacement, meaning it's designed to meet or exceed the original factory specifications. It's a direct fit, ensuring easy installation and proper functionality. It is a reliable and quality replacement part. The interchange part numbers are 9240223Q000, HY28051116, 9240113Q000, and HY28041116. The OE numbers are 9240223Q000 and 9240113Q000. The parts link numbers are HY28051116 and HY28041116. These numbers ensure compatibility with your vehicle. This tail light is an essential component for your vehicle's safety and functionality. It complements other crucial automotive replacement items like brake kits and brake pads. Make sure you have everything you need for a safe drive. What we like. This product offers a complete tail light assembly, including bulbs, making it a comprehensive solution. It's an OE replacement, designed to match the original specifications. If you need a full tail light replacement and want a reliable, all-in-one solution, consider this assembly. What people say. These rear lights fit very well on this 2012 Hyundai Sonata, easy to install, you don't need any tools, just remove 5 small nuts that hold it. They come with all their bulbs, which makes it even better and easier. Quality product for the money. OEM specs. Side-by-side comparison. Could MOT tell the difference? Came with bulbs. Plug and play. Took all of 15 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.